How to find recently watched reels on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can check reels history on Instagram. In order to find the recently watched reels on Instagram, first of all update your application. After that, log in into your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your Instagram account, this is how it's gonna look like. Now what you need to do is, in order to find a recently watched reels, you can go to the now for example, let's say that if you were watching the reels just like this, and if you're unable to find the reels, what you can do is just simply swipe down and you can find the previously watched reels. This is one of the method on how you can do it. Apart from it, if you're unable to find the reels right over here, or if you have already watched the reels a couple of days ago, then what you can do is you can go to your profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. After that, go to the try bar icon from the top right, and you'll be able to see the option as your activity. Once you tap on your activity, you'll be able to see different categories such as like post, or the commented post, or the tag post, or a sticker response or review and all. Now in case if you have liked that particular content or the reels, just tap on likes, and here you'll be able to see all of the liked content. So you can see these are all liked reels as well as content that you've seen, and you can also categorize it by newest to the oldest, or all date, all authors and all that. So just tap on the all authors and you can just filter it by their username, or just select it accordingly. Apart from it, if you've commented on that particular post, just go to comments, and here you'll be able to see all of the comments that you've made throughout the year. Click on tag if you've been recently tagged on the content, you can find that, and if you have made any sticker response, you can do that as well. And that's basically how you can find recently watched reels on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.